Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we got something a little bit different. This is a Christmas gift, but it corresponds to something I used to do years ago. As you know, the channel is called Blackfire's Hobbies and Games. I used to do quite a bit of gaming, particularly a game called BattleTech, which has been around for many, many years. Catalyst has reintroduced the franchise, and you've got a lot of minis now, which you can paint yourself, and it works out for their game. So I happened to notice this at Game Chamber before Christmas, and I couldn't resist. I do love Clan Heavy Omni-Mechs. These come pre-assembled, so I thought we'd have a little unboxing and look at these tonight. So, like I said, it's a BattleTech. It's a Clan Heavy Star. It comes with 5 mechs. Quite a nice bit of detail. It also includes the 5 Mech Warrior cards, the 5 Alpha Strike cards, which is works for the game. I did pick it up on sale, so it's a little bit less than that. And you can get record sheets, as you can see, available. I may try the game at some point, although I still have the classic rules from way, way back, all the different editions over the years. Anyway, so let's just open this up. So I did cut the seal. Open this up. Some nice little bit of box art there, showing a mech. So basically, this is what you get. Looks like you get all the record sheets, all the reinforcements, and your various mechs. Now, let's have a look here. So I mainly was after the mechs. So we're just going to take these all out and show you what's involved here. There are your cards. I was just looking for those. And last but not least. All right, so we'll start with the cards. We'll just open those up with a pair of scissors. And we'll get those out of the way, shall we say. Giggle, giggle. Let me just get these open here. There we go. So yeah, the BattleTech franchise has been around for a long, long time. Sorts of copyright disputes from the Macross days. Anyway, these are the BattleTech cards. So we've got a Stone Rhino. We've got a Supernova. Whoops. Try and separate these. There's the Supernova. The Marauder 2. And the Warhammer 2C. That's based off an old Macross build. You can kind of see one very like the Tomahawk I was building recently. But they call it a Warhammer in this world. And then the Hunchback, of course. Hunchback 2C. Oh, you got two-sided cards. I should point that out. Sorry. Okay, and then you've got your basically, these are Mech Warrior Pilots character cards. Kind of get the idea. A couple of different ones. Looks like you get 6. All right, that's the cards out of the way. Let's look at the meat of the operation. So we'll start with this guy here. As you can see, they're like a very stiff resin or plastic. It's the best way I can describe it. They do come with a solid plastic base. Definitely a different material, but nicely detailed. Very nicely detailed. I don't think there'll be any cleanup required from what I can see here. Very nice. Nice casting. Try and show you a little bit more here. Try and get up close if I can, if the focus will let me. Zoom out and try and come in that way. Yeah, very nice. That's the first guy. Second one is the Marauder 2. All sorts of goodies on this, based on the Marauder, which again was originally a Macross, which of course became Robotech. And again, high source of copyright claims and stuff like that. FASA used it for BattleTech, and then they had to change it reduce a lot because, again, the original Macross models, the original Macross IPs were used, apparently without permission. Now that's very nice. Very nice detail on the guns there. I don't know if they're PPCs or what, but you get the idea. Very nice. Even the little vents. Just gorgeous. So these are going to be primed, obviously, in a black. And then I haven't decided what colors I'm going to do yet. Nice thing about BattleTech is you can do them whatever you want. There's various mercenary company or houses. Some of my old metal miniatures, which I've had for many years. I've done different shades of camouflage, things like that. Just gorgeous. Very nice looking detail on these. And then, of course, the Warhammer. One of my favorites. I'm pretty impressed with the price point. They're not bad at all. And again, no assembly. Very little cleanup. Maybe a touch of flash at the tail end there, but hardly anything. Nothing really you can complain about. At least I wouldn't. Very nice indeed. Very nice. So yeah, that is the Clan Heavy Star from the BattleTech franchise. Again, from Catalyst. And this is going to be fun. So I'll definitely do some videos of once these are painted, maybe in progress, stuff like that. So pretty impressive. Nice size, nice selection you get. And again, everything you need to kind of away you go, basically. I'll move these over a little bit more. So I am hopefully, I haven't done minis in a while, but there's a lot of stuff out there that you can do. And there's a lot of creative stuff, especially these days with 3D printers and things like that. So you never know where this may take me. So that's it for now. As always, stay safe, be well, and thank you, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thank you, and be well.